Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about what needs to be accomplished to receive credit for week number 2. Once again, we're going to refer to the PowerPoint slides. For the first week, you needed to accomplish measuring exercise 31 in the Wind Power worksheet. Since you're on the video for week number 2, I will assume that those are already completed. In either case, they need to be completed by the end of the week on Friday, April 4th, April 10th, should say. I told you in the last video, Dr. Maxim asked all the teachers to put together 2 weeks worth of instruction, assuming that we were going to be back by now. Since that's not the case, we're doing this online training. This was one of the sheets that I prepared for the second week. It was about, is the personal robot finally here? There were 10 questions to answer. The resource information was on this page. The other part of that, of the lesson I prepared, one was to make a 3D pyramid, and I was assuming everyone had a printer, but I'm thinking maybe that's not the case. So if you did go ahead and do this project, save it, and at some point I'll have you mail that to me, email it to me for credit. And then also we were going to do measuring exercise 32, but I needed to make a change to that one, that assignment as well. So what we're looking at for week number 2 is measuring exercise 32. It's going to look different than what I originally sent out to students. And is the personal robot finally here? And both of these will be due by the end of the week. This is what measuring exercise 32 now looks like. It's just the opposite of exercise 31. On 31, you were supposed to draw lines the length that was given. In this example, we have a line, and then in this answer box, you're supposed to type how long that line is. If it doesn't want to fit, you're allowed to go ahead and make the font smaller so that your answer will fit in there. And there are only 10 of these answers, so it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to complete this assignment. If you want to print it out with a printer and draw the lines on there or measure the length of the lines on there yourself, you can take a picture of it and put it on the third slide that's in this assignment for measuring exercise 32. Is the personal robot finally here? There's a resource, actually there's 2 resource pages. This is what the first page looks like. And then you'll answer the questions by putting them in the Google form. If you already answered this in paper format, you can just transfer your answers from the paper to this page. It shouldn't take you more than a couple minutes to do that. So those are the 2 things I'd like you to accomplish by the end for the second week's assignments. And I'd like to have those in by the end of this week. Neither one of them should take very long. As always, if you have a question, you can contact me at DennisSimpson@vikingmail.org, or you can join us in the meeting this week. Our weekly Zoom meeting will be at 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock this Wednesday. The meeting ID is down here, but it should also be available on Google Classroom. So once again, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.